Press the prog button on the receiver card for 2 seconds. Press the prog button on the safety transmitter. Quick press the prog button on the receiver card. The door must be fully closed before starting the door movement programming. If it's open, press and hold the close button on the control board. After a few seconds, the door will start to close in Deadman. Press the white prog button for 3 seconds. Press the start button. If you are not using auto-close, you can press the start button as soon as the door reaches the fully open position. If you are going to use auto-close, this is where you program the time. For example, if you wait 30 seconds between the door reaching the fully open position and pressing the start button, the auto-close time will be set to 30 seconds. A few seconds after the door completes its movement, the programming LED will go out. Now you must test the sensitivity of the safety system and adjust it if necessary. Test that the door responds to impacts when closing. Test at various points along the door and at various points of closing. Also check that it closes fully without false activations. If at any point the door stops and won't move, this will be the thermal cutout in the motor. Wait half an hour before continuing. If you need to adjust the sensitivity, change the number on the potentiometer on the transmitter. 0 is the most sensitive. 9 is the least sensitive. When you change the number, it is important to repeat step 1 and reprogram the safety transmitter to the control panel. 4. Beeps from the control panel indicates the batteries in the safety transmitter need changing. If ignored, the door will eventually stop closing. Slide the cover off the transmitter and replace with 2 new standard AA batteries. After a couple of minutes, the panel will stop beeping. As the door and motor age and wear, you may occasionally start to encounter false safety activations, where the door will stop and reopen during closing. If this happens, firstly make sure the door and guide rails are clean. If it persists, reprogram the door movement in step 2.